How to get Discord ID on your mobile. So hello guys, if you want to copy your Discord ID and want to find it and you are struggling with that, how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to Discord app. So I will simply open Discord app. Once you open it, now the question is how you guys can find it. So it was very easy. For that, simply click on search in DMs. So simply click here. Here search any random name, or you can search for your contact name. So for example, I will search for Messi. Once you search for that, here you need to simply click on any chat. Once you click here you will simply write blank message or any message or hi message. Once you click here you guys will simply see your profile pic small or name. So simply click on your profile pic. Once you click here you guys will see on top right corner three dots. So simply click on these three dots. Once you click here you guys will see copy username, copy user id. So you can copy user. Once you click on copy username or copy user id, your id will be copied. That's how you guys can find it. Thanks for watching.